This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Calmnerve G 300/500 mg tablet is a powerful combination medication for nerve pain relief. It contains gabapentin and methylcobalamin, which work together effectively. Indications and uses. This medication is indicated for managing nerve pain, particularly neuropathic conditions. It is beneficial for individuals experiencing discomfort due to nerve damage or conditions such as diabetic neuropathy, offering symptomatic relief and improving overall quality of life. How it works. Gabapentin reduces pain sensation by interfering with the transmission of pain signals to the brain, while methylcobalamin supports nerve repair and regeneration. Directions for use. Take this medication as prescribed by your physician. It can be swallowed with a glass of water and may be taken with or without food. It is vital to follow the recommended dosage and not to discontinue use abruptly without consulting a healthcare provider. Possible side effects. Possible side effects may include dizziness, drowsiness, nausea, confusion, and emotional changes. It's important to consult a doctor if any side effects are severe or persistent. Precautions and warnings. Patients with pre-existing health conditions such as liver, kidney, or heart problems should use this medication with caution. Alcohol consumption should be avoided as it can enhance drowsiness. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult their doctor before use. FAQs. 1. How long will it take for effects to start? Typically, pain relief may begin within a few days, but full benefits may take weeks. 2. Can it manage diabetic neuropathy? Yes, it provides relief for nerve pain associated with diabetes. 3. What should I do if I miss a dose? Take the missed dose as soon as remembered unless it's close to the next scheduled dose. 4. Is it safe to use with alcohol? No, alcohol should be avoided while taking this medication to prevent increased drowsiness. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment below. Your feedback is always appreciated.